It is seed starting and garden planting season for us in the temperate regions of the Northern Hemisphere, so I have compiled a list of what I consider to be trustworthy heirloom seed companies and nurseries for those looking to start, expand, or diversify an existing garden this year. Before I share the list, I will share a few thoughts on the power of seed saving and regenerative gardening. In the spirit of resisting turf totalitarianism and providing the antidote for corporate parasites in each of our local communities, and would like to now invite each of you to become seed satyagrahi and agents of regenerative ethno-ecologically defined ethnogenesis by inviting you to begin to create. Network S of individuals and organizations committed to align our thoughts and actions with the laws of Gaia, Pachamama, Vasundhara, Mother Earth. We protect the biodiversity of the planet by defending of the freedom of the seed to evolve in integrity, self-organization, and diversity. We are seed savers and seed defenders, farmers and gardeners, practitioners of regenerative agriculture. Our right to save and exchange our open-pollinated, non-GMO, non-patented seed is non-alienable. We will resist every law and technology that attempts to undermine our freedoms, and the freedom of the seed, which is intimately linked to the freedom of Mother Earth. Across diverse ecosystems and cultures, we are united in defending seed freedom/seed sovereignty as the foundation of food freedom/food sovereignty, based on ecological production and fair and just distribution, beginning with protecting and promoting local food systems. Well, it's time for me to go do my part as an aspiring seed satyagrahi and help to ensure the cycle of gifts can continue to flow by planting some heirloom seeds to begin germinating for our garden this spring. Here are the lists of seed companies and nurseries. The list of companies based in the US starts about 3/4 of the way down this post, and I added some EU seed company links at the bottom. For a list of non-GMO. Click the link in the description section. The act of saving seed from your heirloom garden crops is an act of love and hope for tomorrow. Not only does this act save one money and ensure food security for one's household and local community, but it also offers one the unique sense of satisfaction that comes from the knowing that each successive year seeds are saved. The varieties of seeds are becoming more genetically customized via the natural processes inherent in seeds adapting to flourish in the specific climate and soils they are being raised in. Holding the seeds saved from our garden in my hand, I sense the living essence that echoes my hard work from the previous season and am gifted the knowing that those efforts will breathe life into days yet to come. This is something that brings me great peace, joy, and gratitude. While expressing gratitude seems innocent enough, it is a revolutionary idea. In a consumer society, gratitude is a radical proposition. Recognizing abundance rather than scarcity undermines an economy that thrives by creating unmet desires. Gratitude cultivates an ethic of fullness, but the economy needs emptiness. I Robin Wall Kimmerer, Braiding Sweetgrass.